learned from our father out behind the shed how to fix a broken tractor and keep a promise set. Grease-stained hands, but a clean kind of pride. He'd whisper that saying till the day he died. And when the world tried to rush him through, he slowed down just to see it true. Anything worth doing is worth doing right, even if it takes all day and half the night. You build your name in how you try, not in how fast you say goodbye. Anything worth doing is worth doing right. Mama stood in the doorway, baby on her hip, bills piled up, but she never let it slip. Said love's not easy, but I'll hold on tight, and taught her kids by the porch light. When storms rolled in and curtains tore, they patched that love just a little bit more. Anything worth doing is worth doing right, even when the rain falls hard at night. The heart's best work ain't black and white, it's every little thing you fight. Anything worth doing is worth doing right. Someday the years will turn to dust, you'll measure your life and who could trust that you gave your all, not half your life. Because anything worth doing is worth doing right. Anything worth doing is worth doing right. From raising dreams to holding tight. You don't quit love, you don't quit life. You give it your soul, your sweat, your light. Anything worth doing is worth doing right.